Welcome to the channel of Doshi Classes. Friends, in this video, we are going to study a lesson called On Wing of Courage. Before going into the lesson, let's see the brief summary of the lesson. The lesson is about the achievement and the deeds of Marshal of Indian Air Force Arjan Singh. Arjan Singh was a man of few words, a fearless pilot. His daring tasks and adventures have took the Indian Air Force to a greater heights. In his wartime, he is a wartime hero and has made a remarkable contribution against the Japanese in Arakan campaign as well as Imphal campaign. He had successfully led the young Indian Army force during the Indo-Pak War in 1965. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award. He was the ambassador to Switzerland, a lieutenant governor of Delhi from December 1989 to 1990. Friends, we are proud of our military personnel who not only protect our borders but also serve the country during the internal problems. Friends, to find the remarkable contribution and the achievement of Marshal Arjan Singh, watch the video till the end and please do like and subscribe for such videos. Let's begin with the lesson. On Wings of Courage is a motivational lesson about Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. Friends, Marshal of Indian Air Force is a 5-star air officer rank and the highest attainable rank in the Indian Air Force and is an equivalent to Army's 5-star Field Marshal rank. The only officer to have held this rank is the Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, and therefore he is an icon of India's military history. That is a famous and a noted figure of India's military history. He has always been remembered as a wartime hero who has successfully led a young Indian Air Force during 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. Marshal Arjan Singh was fearless and exceptional pilot who has flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the Indian Air Force into one of the most potent, that is very powerful air force globally and the fourth biggest in the world. The former vice chief of IAF, that is Kapil Kak, said about Marshal Arjan Singh that his contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental, that is massive or exceptionally great. The Indian Air Force grew with him. He is an epitome, that is a perfect example of military leadership. Therefore, it is not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Mr. Arjan Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on Republic Day in 2002. Sham Hormuzji, Farimji, Jamshedji Manekshaw and K.M. Karippa were the only two other generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Mr. Singh was known as the man of few words, a fearless pilot with a profound knowledge, that is very great knowledge of air power. He could apply it to the wide spectrum of area. Mr. Singh had very carefully led the Indian Air Force during 1965 war and has denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with the American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. Commenting on his role in the war, Mr. Y.B. Chauhan, the then Defence Minister, has written, Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of person, quite efficient and firm, unacceptable but very able leader. The lesson also talks about the achievement of Mr. Singh in 1944, that is before independence, against the Japan during Arakan campaign, flying close support mission during the crucial Imphal campaign and later assistant in the advance of the Allied force to Yangon, formerly known as Rangoon. In recognition to his feat, that is the achievement that he has that requires a great success, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC on the spot by the Supreme Air Commander of the Southeast Asia, the first Indian pilot who has received it. Mr. Singh was born on 15th April 1999 in Layapur, now in Fazilabad, now in Pakistan, and has completed his education at Montgomery in Shahiwal, again now in Pakistan. When he was just 19 years old, Mr. Singh was selected for Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force RAF Carnival in 1938. His first assignment was to fly the Westland Wapti biplanes in Northwest Frontier Provinces as a member of Number 1 Royal Indian Air Force Squadron. Friends, the Westland Wapti was a British two-seated biplane. As the first assignment, Mr. Singh had flight the plane to the northern west frontiers provinces. This provinces was of British India and now in Pakistan. Friends, the squadron in the Air Force is a unit comprising of a number of military aircraft and their air crews. Well, after some time, he worked with the newly formed Number 2 Royal Indian Air Force Squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces. He later moved back to Number 1 Squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat in 1944, he was promoted to the rank of squadron leader and was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC. On 15th August 1947, he achieved a unique honor of leading a fly past over the 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. After his promotion to the rank of Wing Commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after the Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of Group Captain in 1949. He was promoted to the rank of Air Commander and took over as the Air Officer Commanding of the Operational Command, which he later came to be known as Western Air Command. Singh had a distinguished and having the longest tenure as AOC of the operational base, initially from 1949 to 1952 and then from 1947 to 1961. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as an AOC in Chief of an operational command. Towards the end of 1962 war, he was appointed as a Deputy Chief of Air Staff. He became the Vice Chief of Air Staff in 1963. He was overall commander of Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF and RAAF, that is Royal Australian Air Force. On August 1st, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of Air Force Arjun Singh took over the region of IAF at the time when it was still rebuilding itself and gearing up to meet the new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep this flying till his CAS rank, having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to the most contemporary Gants and Vampires. He also flown the transport aircraft like Super Constellations. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with the arm targeted at the vital town of Akor, Singh led the IAF through the war with the courage, determination, and professional skills. He inspired IAF to victory. Despite of the constraint imposed on the full-scale use of IAF compact power, Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his leadership of Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of CAS was upgraded and Arjun Singh came to be the first Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force. He remained as a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting the forward bases and the unit of flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting the ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was a Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all armed force, through the years, the government confirmed the rank of Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. Marshal Arjun Singh will always be remembered for being an inspiration for armed force for his exceptional contribution, his determination, his leadership skills, and the fairness.